welcome back to my channel. So over the past 2, 3, maybe 4 weeks, I have been pretty stressed, and when I'm stressed, I buy things. So today I thought I would sit down, do a haul of everything I've gotten over the past 2 to 4 weeks, and yeah, it's kind of just everything from like a bunch of different brands. Did that make any sense? So I'm gonna go store by store, like brand by brand, whatever. So let's get into it, shall we? First item I got are these shoes right here. These are the black and white checkered Vans, and I wanted these for a while, and then kind of just like late at night I was like, I'm gonna buy them, so I ordered them online. They came within like 2 days, and yeah, I've been wearing these a ton, pretty much every day. That's why they're really dirty, but I think they're like a really nice pop to an outfit, and they're actually pretty comfortable. So yeah, I got these. I ordered stuff off of Fashion Nova, which I've never ordered from before, and I'm kind of happy with what I got, but not really. So let me just show you, okay? Let me just show you. So the first thing I got from Fashion Nova is this jacket, and it's just a black fake leather with like a fur lined jacket. It feels very low quality, which honestly, I'm not surprised. I paid like $30 for this jacket, so I'm not really complaining that much, but it's definitely just like not the highest quality, but it is pretty warm, and definitely the fur inside is like so soft. Besides that, I really like this jacket. I like the style of it and everything. Like $30 for a jacket that maybe isn't the best quality is fine with me. Yeah, so I got this. So that's the item I'm like not super happy about, but I still really like it, and I'm still like gonna wear it a ton. But I did also get something else from Fashion Nova that I'm really excited about. So I got these sunglasses, I guess. They're like little yellow lensed glasses, and I think they're so cute. They actually feel like really high quality. Like I think I paid maybe like $6 for these, and they definitely feel like they could go for $30 at Urban Outfitters. These are gonna be so cool for like pictures, like sitting on my head like this, or actually like on my face like a normal person would wear them. Yeah, I'm really happy about these. I love the shape of them and everything about them. I just love them. Moving on to the thrift store, I did get a couple of items there. They were having 50% off at the Salvation Army that I went to. So I found some stuff, and my total came to like $4 or $5, I think, which is amazing for what I got. So let me show you. The first item that I got are these jeans, and I just added like rips in the knees. But I love these. I love the shape of them, and they're really high-waisted. They're just like basic mom jeans, but they feel really nice. So I'm really excited about these jeans. And the other thing that I got from the thrift store I am so excited about, it is this windbreaker right here, and it's just a really, really nice like light baby blue kind of color. I think it's gonna be so cute for the spring, and this is definitely something that would go for like $60 at like Brandy Melville, but I got it for I think like $3, which is amazing. And I'm gonna be wearing this a ton. I think it looks really good also like with blue jeans. I think that's a really cool like kind of style. Yeah, love this. While we're talking about thrift stores, I also did a little shopping on a app/website called Depop, and basically you can like sell or buy clothes that have previously been used, or even sometimes like new stuff on there. And I've been selling a lot of my clothes, but also buying some stuff. So I bought 2 pairs of pants from Depop. The first pair are these black and white check pants. These are actually from Urban Outfitters. They're like part of their Urban Renewal line, which is like their vintage clothes, and I love these. Oh my god, I'm so excited. They're just high-waisted black and white check trousers. I think they're gonna be so cute for the springtime, even with that jacket that I showed earlier, the black one, and then just like a white top underneath or something. I think that's just such a cool look. So I'm gonna be wearing these a ton, and I'm so excited. And the other pair of pants I got from Depop are these ones, and I'm really excited about these because they're like a little bit out of my comfort zone, I guess. They're from Mango, which is like a pretty expensive brand, and I think I got them for about $20, which is actually like pretty good. So they are just these black and white striped pants. They're like wide leg pants, and then they also have some red detailing on them and a little like tie in the front. I think they're so cute. I'm so excited to kind of, you know, step out of my comfort zone and wear these. The next thing I got is something that's pretty exciting. I normally get my jeans from like thrift stores. Yeah, I don't know. I just never really like spending full price on something when I can go to the thrift store and find it for a lot cheaper. But I was in Levi's a couple weeks ago and I found these amazing jeans and I just had to buy them. They weren't full price. I actually bought them for 40 bucks and originally they were like, I think 140, which is insane, but I got them for $40. I don't even know how, but I think that's amazing. So these are the style, these are the 501 skinny jeans. They're the ones with like all the buttons that go up. I love these. I think they fit perfectly. They're really cool. They have like this detailing down the back. These just fit so well, and I think definitely like for the price that I got them, I think that's amazing, and I automatically don't even care how they look. I gotta buy them. Next up, I went to Gap, which I don't normally go to, but they were having like a big sale. So I went in and I actually found some pretty cool stuff. The first thing being this amazing, if I can figure out how to show this, it is this pink slip dress. It's actually lingerie, but I'm gonna wear it as an actual dress. I'll probably wear like a little white top or black top under it. I really like that look of like layering, but it's so pretty. It's just a little pink dress with some lace detailing as well as a bunch of flowers on it, and it also has lace slit up the leg, which is like kind of sexy. It's definitely, once again, a little out of my comfort zone with the colors and the pattern, but I think this is gonna be so pretty for the springtime. And the other thing that I got from Gap is this sweater. This is like a turtleneck. What do you call this? Like mock neck. It's not quite like a turtleneck. It's like half of one. It's just this like cream knit sweater. I don't have like a really nice cream sweater, so this was definitely a good purchase. The next thing that I bought is this right here. This is the famous Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I got the shade Light Neutral. I hope it's the right shade. I think it'll be a little bit better in the summer when I'm a little bit more tan. But overall, it's a really good concealer. I definitely had like high expectations for this. I think it's really good, but for some reason it like creases on me. I don't know if I'm maybe doing something wrong, but other than that, it's a really good concealer and I'm really happy that I got this. So that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'll make sure to link everything that I mentioned down below. So definitely check that out if you're interested in like buying anything. I don't know. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!